Astronomers believe that every century, a few stars in the Milky Way explode as supernovae, blasting out a brightly glowing cloud of gas and dust and firing particles in all directions. Most of these events are too far from Earth to impact us, but if one happened nearby, the effect could be dramatic. New evidence suggests that in the past few million years, at least 2 supernovae occurred close to Earth, dusting it with radioactive nuclei. The question is, were they near enough to impact life on our planet? Astronomers now hypothesize that several million years ago, a barrage of supernova-generated particles known as cosmic rays could have depleted the ozone layer, increased cancer rates, sparked wildfires, and even started an ice age. Most supernovae occur when stars run out of fuel and collapse under their own gravity. The shock of the implosion blasts debris far into space. Some of that debris eventually reaches neighboring star systems and settles on planets. Among this material are radioactive isotopes like iron-60, with half-lives of millions of years, too young to have been there since the Earth formed 4.5 billion years ago. Scientists have now found traces of iron-60 in ocean crusts, Antarctic snow, and even in lunar soil, all deposited from faraway stars. These deposits suggest local supernovae occurred 2.5 and 6 million years ago. The dusting of atoms would not be noticed by any inhabitants of Earth, but supernovae have other effects. The initial blast, full of X-rays and gamma rays, could be lethal at very close range. But even from a few hundred light-years away, a supernova can still pack a slow-burning punch. Some scientists think the blast 2.5 million years ago was close enough to have substantially changed the evolution of our planet. Supernovae produce cosmic rays, particles like protons accelerated to near light speed, which could have wreaked havoc on Earth's biosphere. The rays from the most recent supernova may have depleted the Earth's ozone layer, letting in more of the sun's ultraviolet light. Reactions in the stratosphere may have increased fertilizing nitrogen oxide compounds, leading to a surge in plant growth that could have cooled the climate, helping to initiate an ice age. And animals may have felt the supernova's effects directly. When cosmic rays hit the upper atmosphere, they generate showers of particles, including muons, heavy, short-lived cousins of electrons that can penetrate deep into animal tissue. Organisms on Earth would have received triple the normal dose of radiation from these muons, increasing their risk of cancer. These showers of particles would also leave tracks of ionized air molecules as they streak through the atmosphere, creating pathways for lightning that may have sparked wildfires across the globe. Finding the real culprits for the recent supernovae is impossible, as they fade to near invisibility after tens of thousands of years. But astronomers have tracked a group of nearby stars, a few dozen in total, and wound back the clock to see where they were 2.5 million years ago. Sure enough, they swung within 300 light-years of Earth at the time. From the ages of surviving members of the group, it's likely some would have been ripe for explosion, just the right place and time to dust Earth with atoms and maybe do more damage. The exact effects of supernovae on Earth remain speculative. Some scientists suggest the blast caused extinctions, while others think those events had unrelated causes. For now, more research is needed to determine how supernovae may have changed Earth's timeline. So next time you look up at the stars, be thankful you weren't alive 2.5 million years ago when a supernova lit up the sky.